Alrighty guys, welcome back. Fresh week, Monday, July 28th, 2025. Today was really weird. I didn't want to take a trade, but I did, and that's my own fault. I was just about to hop off the charts, and then we had this really expansive candle, and which was the same candle that created the first percentage, which actually just held my attention. Then we inversed it, but I wasn't really convinced of the inverse, just because we didn't. I don't know. The 1 hour candle in the higher time frame was just, it looked pretty bullish, but and it's unfortunate that we didn't get break even this trade. So it would have been nice if it had even just been like equal highs there, because I definitely would have gone break even, and this would have been a break even day. But instead, we lose a little bit of money, but I'm not too worried about it. And one of my biggest goals, my next goals, is to just work on losing more proactively, or just being able to take a loss and not completely just freak out at myself or feel too emotional about it. So I'm just going to consider today, yes, it was objectively my fault, and I already saw price action after open and really wanted to get off the charts, but I'm taking today as another lesson for myself in the future. And now I know, okay, price action is shit when market opens, but then we get one expensive candle, but then immediately after, the candles are really mediocre again. It doesn't necessarily have to mean you need to take a trade, especially sometimes maybe you just need to wait, and not just not just look at price action, but look at how long it takes price to take out liquidity. I mean, we were bouncing up and down until we took out that minor buy side. That was my break-even point, and then immediately after that, we just kind of went down and up and down and up and down and up until we swept the lows, and it took fucking a long ass time. So I guess my lesson for today is, don't try to convince yourself that there might be a good trade just because there was one or two candles of good momentum. I know a lot of people made money today, but honestly, it's just not in my, facilities to be making money in this type of price action, and that's perfectly fine. I don't want to be too compare or overly compare myself to people who have been doing this for years and don't even use my strategy. So it's pointless to say that I'm worse or not as good as a trader as them, even if that may objectively be true right now. So anyways, good lesson learned today. I'm not too upset about it. Easily can make that back in half a trade, if even half. So, and that's kind of what I like about how I've been trading these minis, is I have really low risk. So even if I do take a loss, it's only at max maybe 12 points, which is maybe $250 or so, or $300, but I don't even know if it's that much. So the fact that we are looking for trades consistently that are probably 15 to 30 points or more, it's just inevitable that we're going to outperform our losses. So as long as I keep this up and force myself to just take a loss when I take a loss and not have to overcommit to anything, we are going to be on the right track. So anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow. We have a lot of news, and I'm excited for if we are able to catch anything. So, bye bye.